Well, hello. So just here to talk about some review with absolute value functions. Now, an absolute value is represented by the two vertical bars on either side of an expression, and its job is to always make things positive that are inside of it. So just as an example, over here we have negative 11 minus negative 9. So just a quick check. When you have the double negatives like that, it's positive because you're multiplying the negatives. Now, that's going to be different when we look at the second example because the negatives aren't right next to each other. But because of the fact that we have these negatives right next to each other with that parenthesis, what we're actually saying there is we have negative 11 plus 9. And so, doing our arithmetic there, negative 11 plus 9 means we're working with negative 2. But because that negative 2 is in our absolute values take effect, and it just means we're working with a positive 2 as our answer. So let's go ahead and take a look at the second one here. Here we have a negative 2 minus 4. Because of the fact we're subtracting 4 and not having that double negative take place, it means we're going further left. And so negative 2 minus 4 means we're actually working with a negative 6. But we still have the minus 15 outside of the parentheses. Sorry, not parentheses, outside of the absolute value. And so the absolute value of 6 happens, and that 6 turns positive. And so I'll go and do that next step, and we'll have a positive 6. But the 15 is still negative because it was outside of the absolute value, and because there are no absolute values left, we can have any kind of answer. We've already done the positive part of the absolute value. It's not there anymore. So we're just working with 6 minus 15, and if my mental math is correct here, I haven't had coffee in a little while, it should be negative 9. And so, with that being said and done, we have our two answers. Thank you guys. I look forward to seeing y'all soon. Take care.